Welcome. I don't even know what we're doing.
Bring me my flowers.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness, okay.
Let the games begin.
So you guys are laughing because you're like, oh, he's gonna mess this up.
Got some bright colors here. Ooh, I would have liked the hydrangea, but you know.
I'm always one around Valentine's Day where I say don't get me flowers, which always means, you know, flowers would be nice if you got them for me.
Always have to accept them politely and then take them apart after the guest is gone.
Would you give that to your wife?
Yeah, definitely.
Say it.
I would give this to my wife.
To tackle this grocery store bouquet, usually what I like to do is I like to separate my foliage. So I know where I'm at.
Slough, not so great. Another kind of dead plant.
We can do something with this. This is literally nothing.
This is like a stylist fave green, I would say.
Not bad already. Like this could be a thing. I also don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, this is a trick I learned from a florist with roses. If you kind of blow into them, and it helps to kind of open them up a bit.
I don't know what vase to use.
No.
You know, the best thing about a grocery store bouquet is just basically flowers. It's just nice to get flowers. I like the amaryllis just because I think it's sculptural and sort of interesting.
Let's take off the dead leaves. They've been sitting there a while. That could go on a coffee table.
So maybe the greens and then some pinks. I need Lauren here. She's really good at this.
I love the wax flowers and I think that they are really lively because they're hardy. I think the hero here is this eucalyptus. No symmetry, we're going asymmetrical on this one.
Okay, you know what? I know all the real smart people and the designers, they'll have like multiple ones set up and everything, so I'm doing that.
I switched out of that bouquet to this because I do find the vase can make or break an arrangement. It's really, really helpful, and that's what will support the flowers that you're given.
Nailed it.
I think that's where it'd end up. 4 bouquets out of 1. I love the chrysanthemums. You know, it's like not the prettiest flower, but when you put them all together and kind of make them into a tiny little cluster, they actually look really beautiful. Ta-da!
Definitely going for something a bit more loose, and I think that's the key idea with these grocery store bouquets is you have to loosen them up and get rid of the weak ones. There, done. Fleurs.
All right, I can take this out of here. It's embarrassing, that one. Okay, so we got 2 then, right? 2 different spots, like one in the kitchen, one in the dining room, and we're good.
Out of this bouquet, there are 4 solid little moments, I think. 5 if you count that, if you wrap up. Amaryllis and hang in your shower, which is a really nice little tip for fragrance. I think it's fair to say that there is no bad bouquet.
Voila. Don't at me.
Happy Valentine's Day. Oh my God.
By amaryllis, I meant eucalyptus. Amaryllis is a Christmas flower and a bulb. Amaryllis, not eucalyptus.
No, the other way.
Oh my God, eucalyptus, not amaryllis. My great Aunt Phyllis. Okay.